All right, while I'm scavenging the parts off my wife's hatch, I just replaced hatches, but how to replace the wiper motor be a good time because I just did it. Not replace it, but took it off, so pretty much reverse order. What I'd like to do is just kind of show you the parts array, the lineup. So you got this, just sits inside there, it's just a rubber grommet. We have that part there, which is a 13 millimeter that screws on from the outside. Then you have, let's see here, this part that lays on top of it. Once you got it all the way screwed in, evidently it controls the jets from that point there. So in order to get to this, you need to remove this first. I think I used this tool or possibly this one, just lift it off. You might just put a screwdriver underneath it and lift it off under the base. I may have made a little bit of gnarly mark on mine, but again, probably a part you would want to buy new, maybe not. And then on the back side, from the other side of this, the back side here, you have 10 millimeters. You got 3 of them here. Just so you know, when you put this down on the front side, it does appear to have grooves in it. So obviously the grooves are there so the motor can move. So you have to lift it off evenly for it to slide off. At first it will feel like it's not going to come off. So what I kind of did is do a little bit of wiggle. I mean, you could try spray a little bit of some type of anti-seize, or not anti-seize, some kind of solution to break it free, or just loosen it, or you can just give a little tap with a rubber mallet and it should fall through if you get everything out. And that's pretty much it. I may have left out, and then that one just lays on there. I just kind of lifted it off. You can look there, it kind of looks like it's got some grooves in it, but for the most part, and they're getting old, highly likely you're going to break one. The plastics don't last forever. But that's pretty much it. There's not much to it. It's pretty simple. Not a lot. I mean, obviously, to get to the motor, you're going to have to remove the interior parts. And that, you'll need to watch some of my other videos where I remove the hatch, the entire hatch. Or watch somebody else's so you don't have to watch a long period of me talking about other stuff you don't want to know. Good luck.
As always, please subscribe.